Hello, Namaskar, Vanakkam. I would request all those who are in charge of the conduct of the ICSE and the ICSE board examinations, the semester 1 board examinations taking place right now, to see and listen to this video very carefully, because the information in this story, which has been provided largely by students, is pretty shocking. I'm going to keep the identity of the students and the schools they belong to a secret, but the facts that I'm going to state are pretty shocking and tell you that many schools in this country have reduced the conduct of these board examinations, these MCQ based board examinations, to a farce. The first case I'm citing is about two schools in two neighboring towns. It's only a half-hour driving distance between town A and town B. I'm deliberately not revealing which state I'm talking about because people unnecessarily tend to brand and label. Now, teachers from school A have been asked to invigilate during these examinations in school B, and teachers of school B have been asked to invigilate in school A. Now, what do the two school managements do? They get into a private agreement with each other that you would help my students, I would help your students. So the teachers of school B move out of the examination hall in school A for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing students to cheat. Or in some cases, the invigilators ask the students for the questions. They check the answer on their mobile phone. Why do they do that? Because they are not subject teachers. So a geography teacher maybe would have been invigilating during the English literature examination. Okay, so they look at their mobile phone, Google, and then tell the students the answer to that specific question. The teachers of school A do the same in school B. Now, students who have worked very hard and want to do an honest job are obviously very angry and upset. The question is this council aware? Well, they seem to be, because fortunately during the physics paper on the 9th of December, there was checking by a senior member. So these unfair means could not be adopted during the physics examination. In any case, I think the physics paper was so tricky that you couldn't have got the answers on Google. Now, I also hear from students, this is case 2, that in some schools, students are encouraged to leave the space blank if they do not know the answer, or just write C, because C as an alphabet can be morphed into making it A or B or D. And that will be taken care of by those who are evaluating the answer scripts. Now, I have no idea whether this claim is true or false. This may be completely a figment of someone's imagination, but the fact that such claims, such allegations are being leveled, according to me, puts the entire examination procedure under a cloud. These are disturbing allegations, and the council should probe whether any of these are actually true. The second instance that I specifically mentioned. Now, add to this are concerns of ISC students. Now, I received this very elaborate mail from a student of a leading ICSE school, one of the top ICSE schools in the country, who said that in his physical education paper for class 12, many questions were out of the prescribed textbook, forcing them to guess answers to about 10 to 14 questions. The complaint of these class 12 students is that barring English, there has been little correlation between the specimen paper that was provided by the council and the actual question paper. I do hope that the council looks into these instances and addresses these grievances. Thank you very much for watching.